Dito na may magbuha.
We'd like to welcome to the city of Pagadian, headed by Mayor Samuel Co. Our team from Thibaut Cure, Philippines, based in Davao, Sir Peter Coils, Dr. Amparo, and Sir Dazera. All of them are from Thibaut Cure, Philippines, and we'd like to officially partner with them, with the local government of Pagadian. Of course, we'd like to say our thank you for these people who are giving us the opportunity to help people of Pagadian who need specialized care, pediatric specialized care for our people. So, Mayor, I'd like to give you the floor.
Yeah, Thibaut Cure will be helping us only for children, 0 to 18 years old. Katong na yung mga diferensya sa panglawas, katong mga clip pala, katong mga bungi pa na sa ito, mga diferensyado, na yung mga bakang kaayo, na yung mga hiwi o mga kamot o hiwi o mga tiil, whatever, sila na yung explain niya, no? Di na mo mag-goal, ha? As long as mag-qualify mo, so mo nang ilang gusto i-qualify daan diri sa Pagadian, kay kung ihatod mo dito ang ilang hospital na sa Davao City. Do wa may gasto sa plite, ang city na mo gamit. Ato lang coaster mo ihatod ninyo, no? City na mo gasto ana. Ihatod mo sa Davao, pero at least diri pa lang daan pilion na asay kaya nila tambalan, because not all, no? Dili gyud tanan nga na diferensya nga makaya gyud tambalan. Apoy depende sa sitwasyon kung say napoy dili gyud nila makaya na. Mabalibad sila nga dili na makaya na, no? So kani siya more on sa Chile kay kwento sila ang Children Hospital ni. So that we're very happy kay na si Peter Coles together with Dr. Aida and si Ellie, no? They're all here para we will start tomorrow ang pagpili na kasi pwede. So we will deliver it to Davao by batch, by batch. Let's say one coaster, 20 plus ka pasyente dadol dito, together na sa iyahang watcher. Ang ginikanan ba, isuon ba, o kinsa inyong gusto nga watcher ipadala. Then, di mo worry about unsay pero nun, libre na tanan, sila na'y bahala. Sila na'y mo claim, o asa sila makaklaim, makakuha sila gamay spiller, o sa asa, o sa ila, tamang rin eh. Wala mo'y pero nun, bisig isa kita ko, wala, libre tanan. So, sa kinan mo sa Atua City, ihatod mo, then kuhaon mo pag maayo mo after 2 weeks, 3 weeks, no? Then, dito inyong stay, libre inyong puyo, libre inyong taon, including ang watcher, libre puyo, including watcher, no? Including watcher, libre pong kaon, libre puyo. So, may yung progresya na na nasa Pagadian ron. Then, unsay diferensya mo, pag-abot ito, maayo, pagbalik dire, at least kung sa ito yung hiwi-hiwi niya, pagbalik niya, tulit na. Okay? So, I just hope na daghan mo avail, no? Mo lang, i-press con ko ni, nanay gi-pre na to, i-pre-qualify, pero pwede rin yan mo dawat og walk-in, no? Pagba, pila ka day sila?
1 day na.
1 day ra? Whole day? Whole day tomorrow?
Whole day, 8 to 5.
So, akong gawag kita na, katunay mga diferensya, sige lang, anay lang mo sa City Mayor's Office, sa function hall na to, anay lang mo. Anyway, maistoryahan man mo, makaya o dili. Pag makaya, okay, check na ka, appeal ka sa biyahe. So, schedule din na mo dire, pila ka mo mauna, kinsay gusto mauna, sabot-sabot lang, no? Kasi di po mo available na yon, so sa next batch mo, next batch mo ka, third batch mo ka, so yarin sa to, kinsay bakante na ka, mo na yung first batch, so depende na sa inyo. Una, ang i-determine sa na to, maka-avail ba ka o dili, qualified ba o dili, ha? And then after that, then scheduling nga, okay? So, basta, no need to worry. Ay nang hunahuna kung sa pa. Basta sa gasto, ay na, wala na mo hunahuna, libre na tanan. Okay? So, Nindot kayo, hulog sa langit, taas sila ang team sa Tebocure. One day ra, ugma ng adlaw ang pagpili. So, kinahanglan na agad mo ugma dire from 8 to 5. Mo nang press conference nato para nga ang katong maghibalo, at least makahibaw mo. Naamay silingan nga mga himi-himi, mga bungi, mga unsa, anything, independent sa lawas, maliyog lang pahibaw, paniyag yun sa City Hall. Ugma rin yung adlaw, the next day, larga na sila. Okay? So, daghang salamat. Thank you, Coach, for coming. Thank you for your team. Salamat. Thank you very much.
May we hear a few words
Sure.
from Sir Peter?
Mayang hapon sa tanan. Ako si Peter sa Executive Director sa Tebocure Children's Hospital. We are the only specialized children's surgical hospital in all of the Philippines. We have world-class surgeons. Dr. Amparo is one of the world-class surgeons that works at the hospital. We perform miracles as God allows us to do for children who need these surgeries. That's what the parents call it, a miracle. What we do sounds too good to be true. And many people have to come to the hospital, experience what God has allowed us to be doing, to see that it is true. Every child that comes through the hospital that we can help is helped with no charge for anything. No charge for tambal, no charge for surgery, no charge for consultation, no charge for lodging, no charge for food for both the child and the watcher. And what sets us apart is also comprehensive care. Unsang differentiate sa clinic or mobile screening or anything with those things that are going on. Comprehensive care means we follow the child for as long as it takes for that condition to be resolved. Sometimes that may be 2 weeks. Sometimes it may be 6 years. And through that whole process, they are seen by experts in, if they are a palate case and they've had their surgery, they're seen by experts with speech therapy. So they go through months of speech therapy after their surgery. If they are with an orthopedic condition, after they are done humana with the surgery, then they go through physical therapy and they learn how to, some of them, to walk for the very first time. Many of them have not ever walked with their feet flat before. Many of them have not walked or been able to run before. They actually have to learn how to do that for the first time, like they were just born and be taught how to do that. We are very blessed to do a lot of surgeries every year. So far in this calendar year, we are on track to do about 2,800 surgical procedures this year. 2,800. That includes in the operating theaters, in the OPD clinics, the total number of procedures we are probably going to hit this year. That's a lot. We're a very, very busy hospital. We need Pagadan City. We need Pagadian because we don't know your patients. We don't know your families. We don't know the conditions here of the specific children that we can help. And once you identify them, you've helped us find them, but then they need to find us. And finding us is removing the biggest barrier for them because there's no more barrier with cost. There's no more barrier with lodging, no more barrier with food, no more barrier with everything we do. The mas tokong barrier is transportation. So by having a memorandum agreement with Pagadian City to have transportation, it solves the #1 problem for these families. And what we will be seeing over the next year, I believe, is probably around 300 children coming from this area, not just Pagadian, but around the area, who will be coming in on a regular schedule for their appointments, consultations, then the surgery, then the post-care. And we set up a rhythm as we go along. It's worked with many other cities, municipalities, in provincial governments as well. We know the model is possible here, and we are very excited to have for the very, very first time a MOA with Pagadian City. Thank you, Mayor, so much for partnering with us. As we continue together, you will learn to trust us. We will learn to trust you if all this works together. And for the sake of the children, salamat sa Ginoo, they will have a transformed life and a much better future. So daghan salamat. Thank you so much.
next, we'd also like to hear a few words from an orthopedic surgeon, the Deputy Director of Tibocure Philippines, Dr. Fidelis Amparo.
For me as isa ako orthopedic surgeon, pero nag-specialize ako sa mga bata. So ang mga pasyente nato, hindi lang ako ang surgeon dito, na may tulo ka orthopedic surgeon, ang isa, dalawang pediatric specialist, isang hand specialist. Then we have 4 plastic surgeons, 3 plastic surgeon and 1 ENT surgeon, and 3 pediatric surgeons. So it's a team effort yung ginahimo namo. Ang ginahanap namin ng mga pasyente, may mga certain conditions do, mostly mga abnormalities sa mga tiil kamot nila. So as much as possible ginahimo namo kung sa mahimo na kung hiwi, kung piki, kung sakang or kung club foot sila, meron kaming way na maayo na mo ang ilang tiil. So up to a certain degree ang magawa namin na na treatment, but we make sure na magawa namo ang tanan kompleto, no, madiretso ang tiil, mabutangan og brace, ma-follow up sila after hanggang mag-heal ang bone, hanggang makalakad sila balik. Kasi hindi lang ito kanina murag kanang yung mga kung sa tawag ata yung mga mission treatment lang na medical mission, yeah, so that's good for one day and then after that goodbye. Yeah, so sa amin is we make sure na pag nakuha namin ang pasyente, pagbalik dito okay na ang bata, makalakad na. Hindi namin ma-assure 100% good, but nagadepende yan sa ano ang condition ng bata. But we make sure na magawa namin lahat ng pwedeng gawin na yung sa mga first class na mga hospitals, magawa namin sa Tibo without thinking sila na magkano ang bayaran namin, magkano bayaran namin sa doktor, magkano ang brace, magpila ang pag-change ng semento. Magawa namin yung lahat na walang ginawari ang pasyente. So, hopefully tomorrow makita ng mga pasyente na makita natin kung ano matulong namin sa inyo.
Thank you very much. We also would like to hear from Sir Elias Dacera, our Program and Development Director of Tibocure. Short message.
May hapon sa tanan. Gusto na ko ipaibalo nga ang Tibocure Children's Hospital, we are a Christian organization. Ang mission is to heal the sick and proclaim the kingdom of God. Tungod kay usually ang tao magud mangutan na ba, Lord, nganong ingon ani ako anak? Or siguro ang bata magdako nga ibuli siya sa eskwelahan. So we try to look for ways nga through medical intervention mabati nila ba nga bisan inana ilang kahimtang na agyapon ang gugma sa Ginoo. So we will partner with the Ministerial Fellowship here sa Pagadian para ma-follow up po ang mga bata, apil ang ilang pamilya, o kini may mong avenue nga that they would draw closer nga nasa ato ang Ginoo. So, maayong hapon sa tanan.
At this time, we will entertain a question from our doctor before we will entertain questions.
Yeah, we'd like to entertain questions. We have also here the presence of our City Health Officer, Dr. Debbie Tan, who will take the lead from the local government of Pagadian in coordinating. Kay dili man siya mag one-stop lang. There's always coordination from Tibocure Philippines and of course coming from the local government of Pagadian headed by Mayor Sam. Few words.
Okay, good afternoon po sa lahat. We are very thankful in behalf sa City Government of Pagadian, sa City Health Office of course, with the initiative of Tibocure na muhatag sa ato o extend sila sa ilahang health sa atong mga kababayan. We are also very thankful sa nag-organize sa city nato mga organizers po nga ang tibuok 54 ka barangays diri sa Pagadian na bukaan nato ang listahan na maka-appeal or maka-benefit from this ilahang activity or ato ang activity. And So far, ang ato ang nalista is naabot na 76 na mga kabataan diri sa ato ang Pagadian. And of course, without our very supportive and active mayor, Mayor Samuel Esco, dili ni siya mahimo or ma-realize into something reality na naapadi ay hope ang every kabataan or every youth na may mga ganitong klaseng sakit. So I think that's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. At this time, we will entertain questions from our friends from the media. First question, Mr. J. Aparis of J Channel.
Yes, Sir Petro, good afternoon. Ako bisaya para makasabot siguro ka, no? Kay man si Sir Petro, you are familiar now speaking vernacular, no? So, sir,
Hello.
Yes, so, I'm Mr. J of J Channel, my TV and your TV. Now, my question is, yung pong background ng Tibo Cure, yung pong background, who's the founder?
The Tipo Cure Hospital has been in operation since it's about 11 years now, and it was put together as a partnership with several different organizations. It is a Cure International hospital. Cure International operates hospitals around the world, primarily in Africa. This is their only hospital in Asia. So we're very fortunate that they said we would put a hospital up in the Philippines, and it ended up being in Davao City. The background is that we had an American athlete named Tim Tebow, who's a very famous American football player, married to Demi Lay, who's also a Miss Universe, a very power couple. They and their families were very interested in supporting a new hospital. We had several other foundations as well that came together, and all was in God's timing, and it started about 11 years ago as to the actual opening.
Okay, Leah of Inquirer.
So, Mr. Coach, sir, again, how did you find Pagadian, and who introduced Pagadian City to you and to the organization?
Well, Pagadian City is a center, and we are looking for central cities, central areas that can pull in from the surroundings. It's a very powerful city in that regard because it has influence around other areas. We were in Zamboanga Sibugay, had a very, very successful time with Governor Hofer there. She actually sent 14 buses of children so far to the hospital. Then we went into Zamboanga City, and we've had buses coming in from Zamboanga City, Iligan City, and now we're in Pagadian. So it's kind of a going around to hit the major cities or governments in this area. We've not been on this side of Mindanao before.
From Juan de Radio, Ms. Libres.
Marty Libres, Juan de Radio, Pagadian. Sir Peter or Sir Mayor Go, is either Sir Mayor or Sir Peter. What are the necessary requirements that they need to comply in order to avail the said program?
If they come tomorrow,
ID, birth certificate.
on the ID.
Naa sila valid ID, then naa sila birth certificate, and then naa sila PhilHealth card, pwede nila dalon. But if in case wala sila PhilHealth card, we are inviting PhilHealth to be with us tomorrow kay para ma-automatic ang ilang registration. So, residency, taga-Pagadian. Karon nga mga nalista mong is coming talaga from Pagadian, no? With the help of our different focals, ato ang mga barangay health workers, the midwives and the nurses. So, katong mag-walk-in tomorrow, at least ma-inform sila kung sa mga requirements. So, they will have to undergo the screening.
Additional question from that, is it focused only for the indigents or for the other citizens also?
The mission of Tibo Cure Hospital is to find those who need our help the most. And so we would be preferring to serve those who are not able to pay for those services. That's our preferred. It's a very bad business model to do surgeries for families who cannot pay. But our mission is to find, with the help of the local government units, those people who need our help the most. We will take others. Actually, we have had others who have come into the hospital who are from paying families. Usually when they do come in, we would say, maybe you can make a donation.
Okay.
Mayor, Mayor.
Yeah, ang iyong ginagawa kung natin mga silingan, mga parente igagaw nga na ay nanid presya na baron lekpal ka nang ano no. Tama din sa mga picture nga. Si bawog na kay LTL no, bawog na kay naman mga picture niya. Si bawog kay LTL ang kanang di sa kalakaw taro kay LTL nag-ana ito kilit na. Karon na gyud ang panahon ha, karon na ang panahon nga nana ang Tibok Cure na magtabang nato. So bisig na sila makuha sa pilit, wala. At any rate, na sila makuha, wala. Basta kita sa ila, libre kita. Wala tayo, dito tayo problema na. Basta libre tayo, wala tayo meron nun. So, di na mo mag-worry kila yung meron nun. Na sila na yung bahala. And then, di pa tayo mag-uol, kaya from time to time, sige pada po na, gusto i-check balik, ipakuhin ko balik, pada dito. Ipa-check ko balik, na okay ra. So, batch by batch, pada dito. So, importante lang, tulala mo daan para ma-appeal na mo sa listahan. No? Ma-appeal na mo sa lista. Schedule na nato kasi first batch, second, third, fourth. So, ang yun ako, yung parente, gagawin, soon sa niya. Karoon na yun, it's now the time. Ano mo sa City Hall, sa atong function hall, sa City Mayor's function hall, na sila ugma whole day. One day na o parang adlaw, palihog mo, panganigid mo. Basta orat, pero karon pagkadiyan lang sa tanan ha, kunya lang sa ang sunod na po nga round, kaya basig mataghanap ayon, sunod na po round, apil na ang dilitag pagkadian. Ang kanilang ugma, no? Sunod na tawag, apil na Tibok Provinsya, kinsay mo ane. Limit na sa mga pagkadian, pwede lang na mapuno kayo. Then, 8, ID, birth certificate. Certificate lang nga, taas mo barangay ha. Certification ng barangay. Sakit sa mong pirma. Kung na may pillar card, labing maayo na. Ang wala, okay na. Okay, so...
Elmer, from media.
Okay,
sir, I know this is a very laudable project, no? It involves financial capacity to do this. Labi na ng mga operation, isopiayo. So, asa ka mo itang funding, sir? The funding will come from. Because we expect the PhilHealth, only little amount will into the PhilHealth. So, the funding of this operation?
It's a very good question, because if you have been through an operation, you know they are very expensive. Some of the operations that we do, if it's a bowed leg case, for example, it could be 300,000 pesos by the time you would be finishing with one leg of that if you were a private hospital. Or the more complicated pallet cases, it could be easily 120,000 pesos. So we have about 30% of our funding comes from donors outside of the Philippines. 30%. 70% from inside the Philippines. So we have businesses, Smile Train Partnership, we have PhilHealth, we have sometimes PCSO, in the past Office of the Vice President, who help with funding to put it all together for a zero bill.
Very stable.
There's also our annual report that I brought copies in there that you might be interested in looking through. That tells more of our story and more of our finances.
Beautiful.
Hi, Mayor. It's Krisha Villa from Tibok Cure, the Communications Officer. I was wondering, sir, what made you say yes to Tibok Cure and our plans of coming here, sir?
Yeah, because we find it very interesting, very helpful. We have so many constituents. I could see in every barangay, I could see children cannot walk, climb balance. So, of course, we cannot afford to subsidize also because it's very expensive. We don't have that kind of funding also. We have a free hospital on our own. We have a free pharmacy. But to do operations, major operations, parang hindi na kaya ng city. So, we're very happy to know that Table Cure, when they approached us, si Roy sabi, Mayor, we have this one, and hulog sa langit, sige, help us here. We have so many constituents that cannot afford, no? So, it's a blessing, and I thank God that Table Cure is here to partner with us. Table Cure is here, no? So, panahap, talagsanan niya kayo. Ano na itong na mga diferensyado, kanang di makalakaw, mga bakang, ano na mo sila. Anyway, may buwan man mga dawat o dili. Ha? Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Okay.
Sir Peter, we have a patient from Pagadian City in the person of Burolan. And my question is, how important is the NGO and the collaboration of this partnership? Yeah.
We cannot do surgeries here in Pagadian with Tebow Cure. They have to be done at our hospital. Our hospital is, I'm told, about probably 7 or 8 hours travel by coaster. And these families cannot pay for that. They can't pay for sometimes bus fare even to get short distance. And so they need the help of Pagadian to help them get to our hospital.
Okay, thank you very much. No more questions?
No more. Thank you very much.
Yes.
This is our iconic tricycle before. Okay. But only 10% left. So this is
Thank you so much.
Let's go pasada.
Collaboration po yan. Collaboration.
So we will transfer over to the signing kami nandito na.